The incline treadmill walk is a fantastic way to ramp up the intensity of your steady state treadmill workout. By increasing the incline, you'll increase the tension on your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. I like to do the 12-3-30 workout on the incline treadmill. To do the 12-33 treadmill routine, you walk on the treadmill set at a 12% incline at 3 miles per hour for 30 minutes. Here's how to do it correctly. Before turning the treadmill on, step up onto the side rails to straddle the treadmill belt. Press the go or start button, then press the incline button to increase the incline of the treadmill to the desired level. When I'm doing the 12-3-30 steady state cardio workout, I like to use an incline level of 12%. However, if you're a beginner, you can start with an incline of 5 to 7%, then gradually increase. The goal is to find an incline that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. While holding onto the side handle rails, shift your feet onto the treadmill belt, then set the speed to the desired level. At a 12% incline, I like to use a speed level of 3 miles per hour. However, if you're a beginner, you could start as low as 2.5 miles per hour. The goal is to find a speed and incline where you're walking briskly, but not running, while still being able to maintain a conversation but feeling slightly out of breath. While walking, stand tall with your chest up and shoulders back, engage your core to maintain stability, and look straight ahead, not down at your feet. Step forward with one foot, landing softly on your heel, then roll through your foot from heel to toe and push off with your toes to propel yourself forward. Keep your arms down at your sides and swing them naturally as you walk. Maintain a steady and consistent pace for 30 minutes. If possible, avoid holding onto the handrails for support, as this can reduce the effectiveness of the workout and disrupt your posture. Use the handrails only if you need them for balance. After your workout, turn off the treadmill, then use the side handrails to safely step off the treadmill. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.